Hello friends, how is it going? It's me, Betty Jean. It is now October. It is officially the start of Halloween, where I post every single day in the month of October. I'm so excited for all of the fun we're gonna have. There's gonna be lots of makeup content, lots of vlogs, just so many fun things that I cannot wait. We are kicking off October with my monthly favorites video. These are all of the products and things that I was loving in the month of September. I'm really excited to share them with you. It's always fun for me to just kind of reflect on the things that stood out to me the most and the things that I was reaching for a lot, and to kind of hear your opinion as well. Did you love these things as much as I do? Do you also have your eye on them? What were your favorite things in the month of September? I would love to know. Before we hop into it, I did of course film this look. It should already be up on my channel by the time this video goes up. It's part of my 2 looks video with the Ensley Rain, Flower Moon, and Harvest Moon palettes, so you can go check that out if you are interested. And as far as my accessories today go, this choker is just an old choker. I don't know where it's from, but these plugs are Love Kills Boutique. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in and chat about all of the things that I was loving in the month of September. So first things first, I do actually have a skincare product. FabFitFun actually sent me a box. I've never used a FabFitFun box before, but they offered to send me one, and I was like, yeah, sure, why not? And one of the things I got to pick for my box was this Glow Recipe Plump hyaluronic serum. It looks like this. I really like the packaging. I've been wanting to try Glow Recipe for a really long time and just haven't gotten around to it. This is amazing. It makes me want to try so many more things. I might do a fairly large order come next Sephora sale if I'm like low on some skincare, because this is really, really good. I've been wearing it most mornings. It just sinks into the skin so nicely, gives me a really nice boost of hydration. I feel like my skin just really enjoys it. My skin feels just very plump and moisturized after applying it. This is a really, really nice serum. Moving on now though to makeup, I have mostly eye products and a couple lip things. So let's just get eyes out of the way because I have a lot. There are literally so many releases happening right now. It's insane. So many good things. Honestly, there's a lot of things releasing like the week that I'm filming this that I don't even have yet that you might be surprised isn't in my favorites video. It's just because I haven't even filmed with it yet. Like I don't have the new Blend Bunny palette. I think that comes later today. So the video will already be up before this video goes up, but it's coming. Just stay tuned. But let's kick it off with some things that I was loving. I think my most favorite one lately is the Basic Witch palette from Bella Beauty Bar. This is just incredible. I've done videos with all of these palettes, by the way, whether it be on YouTube or Instagram or both. You can go check those out. But this is the Basic Witch. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like if you missed out on the original Lunar Beauty palette, this might kind of fill that hole in your heart. And it's honestly even better because like Lunar Beauty is good, but back then I feel like the matte still could have been better. I feel like these shimmers just blow those out of the water. So maybe check this one out if you missed out on the original Lunar Beauty Moonspell. Also from Bella Beauty Bar, I can't not mention the Recently De-Influenced. This palette is just so cool. I was mesmerized by this one. The shimmers in this are out of this world. This is so sultry and vampy and delicious, and I just cannot get enough. This is so, so good. I love these. And just stay tuned. I do have a palette bingo coming very soon where I'm gonna play with both of these and the Strange and Unusual from last year. I wanted to do kind of a spooky Bella Beauty Bar bingo. That will be coming sometime in October, so stay tuned for that. Moving on, I can't not talk about the new Halloween palettes between Odin's Eye and Angelica. These are kind of a sequel to the original Hella palette in a Halloween form. I'm super, super excited about these. This is the Trick or Treat palette. Kind of that like quintessential Halloween, very autumnal vibes. I feel like there's a really good balance of like bright meets grunge in here. It's really, really pretty. And like this shimmer green over here, it's like the light of my life. It's so pretty. And also the little Ghost palette. This one's more of like a purpley bluey situation. This one just gives me more like magical potions master kind of vibes. I love this bright matte yellow. It's so pretty, especially in the inner corner. So, so cool. These palettes are so fun. And also I did already actually film a palette bingo with these two and the original Hella palette, kind of a Hella bingo. That'll be coming very soon. I pushed it back to make room for some newer releases, but that's very, very much on the horizon because it's already been filmed and edited. It's just on its way. I just have to upload it. Next up, Gourmet Girls and Doodles by the Bunny are at it again with a new palette. This is the Haunted palette. This is the 3rd of their spooky series. It looks like this. I really, really enjoy it. This kind of fills in the gaps between the Nightshade and the Spooked palette from last year. I did like swatch comparisons and stuff when I used this in a Get Ready With Me recently, so you can go check that out if you need to reference it. There aren't really exact dupes, similar vibes, but not exact dupes. It very much complements the other 2 palettes really well. But this is really, really gorgeous. I love the formulas in here. It's just so pretty to work with. And broken record, I will also have a little spooky Gourmet Girls Doodles by the Bunny bingo going up sometime in the month of October as well, where I pair this with the spooked with the nightshade, so stay tuned for that. It is coming. And also, I did want to shout out the one that I'm wearing right now. This is the Flower Moon by Ensley Rain. This was my first time trying this brand, and I'm so excited about it. It is absolutely stunning, gorgeous, amazing. So, so pretty. I've had this in my possession for about a week now, and I've loved like touching on it and swatching it, and then playing with it has been such a treat. I'm so mesmerized by this. I'm not mentioning the Harvest Moon in this video just because I actually haven't played with it yet. I'm filming both looks that's already up on my channel today, but that one, I'm waiting for my UPS store to open so I can go get it. So in the meantime, I filmed look number 1 in this favorites video. So maybe I'll be talking about that next month. Stay tuned. But so far, the Flower Moon is amazing, and I'm so excited to play with the Harvest Moon in just about an hour. It's gonna be good. Moving on to more eye things. Menagerie came out with more liquid eyeshadow metal toppers. They're not even just eyeshadows because I top them over lipsticks a lot too. I've been doing some swatch pictures for them. But these Moonlit metal toppers are so good. There's like 8 new shades, I think. These 3 I think are my favorite, so I figured I would shout those out. This one is Adelie. It's just so freaking cool. There's just so many shifts and colors. So sparkly and amazing. These dry down like pretty fast as well, so they don't really budge once they're on the eye. They are so, so cool. Or the lips if you want to wear them on your lips. Salamander. This is like the juiciest shade in the world. It like, I want to drink it. Look how juicy that looks. Oh my goodness. The orangey pinky yellow. It's so pretty. And then Amolite. This one is also so cool. It's just like enchanting. This like bluey purple. It's so rich and so sparkly. These liquid toppers are just so impressive. I'm obsessed with these. I think they're so cool. And last eye product, Unearthly Cosmetics launched some new loose shadows. By the way, I have my windows open because the weather's good and the crows are cawing. So if you hear crows or nature sounds, just embrace it. But Unearthly Cosmetics came out with some new shades in their loose shadows. And this one in Chimera, I think is my favorite one. This is so cool. I think I'm gonna regret opening and swatching this one if I'm being honest, because it's a little messy. But you know, it's so worth it. Do you see how pretty that is? It's so cool. Let me try to get a good swatch. These are kind of hard to like swatch and showcase. I feel like pictures and videos do not show the full picture. It's right there. It's just like multicolored, sparkly. It's so cool. It's unreal, honestly. It's so hard to capture. This is like a weird brownish, reddish green with just like so many multicolored sparkles. It's just enchanting. I think Unearthly came out with like 8 to 10 new shades. I don't even know how many. I did like a full like arm swatch over on my Instagram reels if you want to go check it out. It is so cool. Moving on now to lips. Since I've been doing those like lip swatches with the toppers on top for Menagerie, she sent over a bunch of the liquid lips that I didn't have in my possession. One of which I didn't have, one that I used to have, and I think I either lost it or it broke, and I'd actually forgotten about it. And then when she sent me it again, I was like, I forgot how obsessed I used to be with this color. So it's called Leo. Leo is just so good. I truly forgot how much I missed it. Be prepared to see me wear this all the time. I love a grungy yellowy brown. It's just such a good color. It makes my heart so happy. I'm actually gonna leave it out because I have a feeling I'm gonna pair that with the Harvest Moon when I film that look. And then Teddy Bear, I don't think I've ever owned this shade. I think it's a newer shade. I'd be totally wrong, but Teddy Bear is just so good. This like warm brown. It is so stinking beautiful. And then I also wanted to shout out the new lip creams that Sigma launched. I did do a lip swatch video over on my Instagram reels if you want to see all 5 of these applied. But these are really, really good. I'm wearing one of them right now. I'm wearing the shade New Mod. These are very creamy, very comfortable. They have like a liquid lipstick kind of applicator, but it just stays like lightweight and creamy, similar to like the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lips, but I feel like better, like a little creamier, a little more comfortable. They don't move really. They're just so good. I think my favorite shade is Dapper. I've worn this one a lot. It's just so, so pretty. Right there. Just this really nice kind of warm mauve rose color. It's so pretty. I've been wearing these so much. I feel like it's the only thing I've been wearing, so I probably need to stop and use some other things to get some variety. But these are just so good. Next up, I have some clothing. Unfortunately, this specific launch has ended already, but I wanted to shout it out anyways. I've talked about it multiple times in like previous videos if I was wearing something, or in vlogs I did like a whole unboxing with this line, but I still want to shout it out even though these aren't available anymore. Just in case this appeals to you, you can go follow the account on Instagram and keep up with like future launches, because I know I personally will be. These are so stinking cute. So this is from the Instagram account and brand Book Babe Designs. I love her work. I think she is such a good artist. And these merch pieces are so cute. So we have this sweater, love, so adorable, but even better, on the sleeve is a little Scully guy. My heart, I can't take it. And I couldn't have one without the other, so this is the pumpkin book version. So stinking cute. And again, on the little sleeve, it's a little pumpkin. It's so cute, and these are so stinking cozy. I also got this crew neck, the Haunted Library, readers only. And then on the back, it says, support your local libraries. It's just so cute. I really like this kind of beigey color with this artwork on top. I think it's so pretty. And then I also got a t-shirt. I've worn this one so much already. These little pumpkin skeletons with the books. I just simply can't. I think these are so cute. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait for the next launch. She launched so many things. I wasn't able to buy everything, but I got my favorite things and I'm so excited about it. Moving on, books as usual. I'm not gonna talk about every book that I enjoyed because that would be redundant since my reading wrap up Get Ready With Me will be coming either the next video or the one after that. It'll be coming very soon. But I will talk about my favorite book, and it was Things We Left Behind by Lucy Score. This was amazing. This was the third book in the Knock 'Em Out trilogy. I love the Knock 'Em Out series so much. The Things We Never Got Over and Things We Hide from the Light. I just loved those books so much, and I've been itching for this one to come out. I've been so excited for Lucian and Sloane's story, and honestly, I think this was my favorite of the three. It was just so good. I love Lucy Score's writing. The chokehold this woman has on me. I will eventually own and read all of her books. I just absolutely adore her. I'm so sad that this series is over, but it ended in such a good way. Like the epilogues were such a perfect like closure. Oh, it was such a good series, and this was such a good book. If you are interested in this at all, I would recommend starting from the beginning, obviously. More times than not, I don't think a romance needs to be 500 to 600 pages. It's just a little overkill, but Lucy Score's writing is just so fast paced. I get so sucked into the world. She's so good at like world building, like the town of Knock 'Em Out. I feel like I can visualize it so clearly. She's so good at building up side characters. It's just such a good story. This was very much like a second chance enemies to lovers. It was so good, and I just love seeing like the main characters from the two previous books as kind of side characters in this one. It's just such a great series, and I'm so excited about it, but I'm so sad that it's over. And yeah, that wraps it up for this September favorites. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you made it to the end of this video, leave your current favorite emojis, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot, and if you're not already, you can go follow me over on Instagram too. I'm battybean over there as well. Also, feel free to subscribe if you haven't. I am posting every single day in October. Also, feel free to join my channel memberships. The link to sign up will be down below. You'll get fun little perks, including a members only Get Ready With Me once a month. You'll also have access to all the ones I've already uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.